Hi, it's Bjorn here with a video demo for both Apple and Android users. I'm going to show you how to access local newspapers and other news sources using the library's Newsbank database. This platform provides access to a large number of news sources from across the world. And this resource is free if you have a Santa Cruz Public Library account. I'm on an iPad right now, so I'm going to open the Safari browser. If you're on Android, you can open Chrome or whichever web browser you prefer. So I'll tap on the Safari icon here from the home page. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and type in the Santa Cruz Public Library website, and it's coming up here as a top hit, so I'll tap on that. Okay, we're on the site. And from here, we're going to go to the Research tab. So I'm just highlight it right here. This Research tab is kind of in the middle. And so we'll open the Research tab. And from this area, we're going to go to Articles, News, and Encyclopedias. That's this first box here. And so we'll go ahead and open that. And we're going to scroll down just a little bit to Newspapers and Magazines. And the very top result here on this section is America's Newsbank. So I'll tap on that and we'll open that. What you're going to see probably is a login page. So this is just confirming that you are a Santa Cruz Public Library user. So we'll go ahead, I have this password stored in Keychain, so I'll go ahead and enter my account number and then the password for the account. And we're inside the Newsbank. You'll see that there's a search bar at the top. Now this allows you to search across the entire platform. There are also many categories that you can jump into. And the part I want to show you is the blue buttons here on the right. It might just be below if you're on a smaller screen. But these blue buttons are quick links that have been set up to access the local news resources. So you'll see Santa Cruz Sentinel. We'll go ahead and jump into that. I'll tap on that. And it might take a moment to load. And when you're actually in the Santa Cruz Sentinel, you'll see again the ability to search using a search bar. You'll also notice that they have archived articles all the way back to 1999, so that's very helpful. And then you can search by date. So this is for the year 2021, and you can search by today's date, which happens to be September 28th. I'll tap on that. And this will display all the articles that they've archived for this day. And to jump into one of these articles, let's try, how about this one, the business egg vending machine with a poultry dance show. That sounds interesting. We'll go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll notice that the content doesn't look like a traditional newspaper. It doesn't have the pictures that you might be used to. And that's because it's been converted to a web-friendly format, which makes it easier to share. So you can email this article or copy and paste it and share it easily. Now, if you are interested in a traditional look of the Sentinel newspaper, you are in luck. I'm going to go ahead and leave this web browser, the Safari browser, and I'm going to go back to the home page. And what I'm going to do next is show you that the Santa Cruz Sentinel actually has its own app. I have it here on the home page. But if you don't have it yet, you would go to the App Store. So I'll open the App Store. If you're on an Android device, that would be the Google Play Store. And we're just going to do a search. So we'll go ahead and search for Santa Cruz Sentinel. And it's coming up here. So tap that. Now there are two options showing up. The one that is the better app, in my opinion, is the Santa Cruz Sentinel here that's on the top right. There's another one for mobile. You can see it doesn't have very good reviews. But I'm going to go ahead and open the Santa Cruz Sentinel app here. Now, if you don't have it yet, you're going to see maybe Get if you're on an Apple device, or Install if you're on Android. So I'll go ahead and hit Open and just show you what it looks like. What you may notice about this app is that it has all the pictures of the Sentinel newspaper. The paper itself actually looks just like the printed version. And you can kind of zoom in with your fingers, pinching and expanding to see the entire article. It will convert for you to a bigger size, which makes it easier to read. You can also tap on the article and get the digital version on the right. So this is really helpful. All right, that's what I have for this demo. I do hope that you find the Newsbank resource and this Santa Cruz Sentinel app useful. Thanks for watching.